Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create a new contact and also make a new group in Hotmail. This is the full 2026 guide, so yeah, let's dive in. First, sign in to your Hotmail account with your email and password. Make sure you're on the official site so everything syncs properly. Once you're logged in, go to the Contacts section. You can find it either in the menu or sometimes under the app launcher icon at the top left corner. Just click Contacts. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Now, click on New Contact or the plus sign. A form will appear where you can type in the person's name, email, phone number, and any other details you want. Fill out the info you need, then click Save. Next, to make a group, go back to the Contacts page and look for New Group or Create Group. Click it, give your group a name, and then start adding the contacts you just created or any others you want in this group. Once done, save it. And that's it. You now know how to add new contacts and organize them into groups in Hotmail. Don't forget to like the video and yeah, subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.